Welcome to our technical analysis of GAME on the Nasdaq, based on the July 9, 2025 closing data. Let's dive into the past 3 months. Starting April 10, GAME opened at 0.59 and closed at 0.62 with 153,97,000 shares traded. By July 9, it skyrocketed to 2.18, a 250.81% surge, hitting a high of 2.87 and a low of 0.60 on May 13. Volume peaked at 71.79 million on July 9, signaling intense interest. Now for the technicals. The 5-day SMA is 130, below the 218 close, while the 5-day EMA is 147, showing strong upward momentum. The 20-day SMA at 0.92 and 50-day at 0.83 were smashed, confirming bullish strength, but the 200-day SMA at 0.95 suggests longer-term resistance. Momentum indicators are hot. The 14-day RSI at 90.35 screams overbought, above 70, Williams percent are 14 at 31.51 and MFI 14 at 99.06 indicate strong buying pressure. The 10-day momentum is 143, reflecting explosive growth. CCI 20 at 486, 19 is wildly bullish, trend signals are robust. The MACD line at 0.17 is above the signal line at 0.06, with a bullish histogram of 0.12, the ADX 14 at 37.03 confirms a strong trend, and a Rune oscillator at 85.71 supports the uptrend. Volatility is high, with a 14-day ATR of 0.21, implying daily swings of about 9.85%. Bollinger Bands show the upper band at 159, middle at 0.92, and lower at 0.24, with the price well above the upper band. Parabolic SAR at 0.82 is below the price, a bullish signal. Volume metrics are massive. OBV at 105.56 million shows heavy accumulation, and Chaikin oscillator at 1.82 million confirms strong buying. Stochastic RSI K5 at 100.00 and D5 at 99.96 signal overbought conditions, while Ultimate oscillator at 59.29 is bullish. For July 10's open, with a 2.18 close and VWAP at 177, expect an open between 2.00 and 2.30, likely near 2.10. Support is at the 5-day EMA of 147, 10-day SMA at 1.05, and psychological 1.50. Resistance lies at 2.50 and 3.00. The ATR projects a range of 197 to 239. In a bullish case, if volume stays above 10 million and RSI cools below 80, GAME could test 250 or 300. A bearish pullback to 147 or 150 is possible if profit-taking hits. Consolidation between 180 and 220 is likely. Key takeaways: GAME's 250.81% surge, with a 14-day ROC of 186.69, shows explosive momentum, but overbought signals like RSI suggest caution. Watch volume and news for catalysts. Can GAME break 300 or retrace to 150? Drop your thoughts below.